this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok login problem after update. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You also want to turn on the airplane mode. So for that, turn on the airplane or flight mode. Now wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Then you simply want to toggle this option off. This should refresh your network. Now go ahead and open TikTok and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is clear the app cache and data. For that, tap and hold on TikTok, then tap on this app info icon. This should take you to settings. Here, scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, check if your issue is fixed. Next, you want to check for another update. So for that, head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here type TikTok, then search for it. Now, if you find another update here, simply tap on that and update it to the latest version. This should fix any bugs within the app. Make sure to always turn off VPN or proxy connection. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.